Today, I'm showing you how to use Zelle on Chase Online Banking. You can use it both on phone or on computer. This tutorial is for computer. So simply just go ahead and hit pay and transfer. It gives you 4 options. Go ahead and pick the Zelle one. So press send money. This will lead you onto this page. As you can see, send money with Zelle. And this is a list of all my recipients, which are basically everyone that I can send money to. If you're adding someone new, go ahead and click add a new recipient. You can name them whatever you'd like. And then basically you have to attach a phone number or an email. That's how you identify the person you're sending it to. Then after you got that all set up, it should pop up here. And if it doesn't, go ahead and refresh the page. You should be able to find them. It's alphabetically ordered, as you can see, A, B, C, D, etc. But once you find your person, go ahead and press pay. This will pull this up. Obviously, I'm hiding some personal information of the person I'm sending it to, but you just select the amount, put a message if you'd like, send it at a certain date, you can schedule it, and then repeating payments if you want it to be a reoccurring payment. Whether it's monthly, weekly, it is entirely up to you. So more settings get added if you click this. But as you can see, this is all I really need, and then you press next after you put your amount. So this is proof that I have used it before and I've sent money through Zelle using this method right here. And yeah, I hope this helped.